I am an Iranian who lives in Tehran, and I can hear the sound of bombing outside. In case I'm dead tomorrow, I just want you to remember this. Please, shut the fuck up and don't use me against America or Israel to try and convince them to stop. We ask for this. We want this attack. And I know that you don't want to listen to us. You don't want to listen, but I'm going to give you the shorter version of why we want this. The reason is we had one option, to go and protest this bloody regime, and we did, and they killed 40,000 of us in 2 days. This is the last option we have. We asked for the help, and help is here. And I know I might die, and I don't care, because I'm willing to sacrifice my life for Iran. And you, just shut the fuck up and don't use me to attack anyone or try to stop this. We want this. You don't understand. You're not in our shoes, so shut the fuck up. That was a message from one of our Iranian sisters, and she asked me to share this with you. So shut the fuck up. Yeah, if you don't want to support us, just shut the fuck up.
Hello, my wonderful people. As soon as I don't listen to this girl, you understand? So, according to her, now they know what they face for Iran. It still be like what Nigerians they face now. Now they know what they face for Iran. You see what this Iran government do them, eh? I know say that nobody are not correct, but what Iran do those people, eh? It pass what Nigerian government they do Nigeria people now. You understand? You see, he said that they know what they face. So if he buy for Iran, he buy in peace. So for those of Iran or those of Nigeria people, we're going to do protest. All the name of they be Islamic, they be Muslim, this and this. Me na carry that flag, me na keep, me na relax for us, me na face on our country. Make una face on our country, because now they do protest for which they don't know. Now they never notice una. When they do protest, they come and they talk say, Iran, may America bon shit, may Israel bon shit, may they focus on, may they leave Iran alone. Una don't know what this Islamic people don't do. I don't know what these Islam people don't do. Some of the Islamic they good, but why some they be devil? What name was say they serve this God? Some they be devil, because some of the Islamic said they talk say no. What is this man they do? They don't want time. They don't like him, but they force them for their necks when I must do one. Could you imagine? Youth go come as they won't go do protest. You keep 4,000 something youths. You get mind. You keep 4,000 something youths. Una we be Nigeria will never express this kind of thing. Now they express by for Boko Haram. Now never fit the Nigeria government me they help una, me they do something for una. But una fit they get time till they carry flag of UK, US, they carry flag of Israel. They do protest. Me Israel and America leave Iran alone. Before this fight they come, I pray may this fight end, and I pray may not buy people again. Because what this government of Iran don't do a lot of citizens of this Iran. Now only they go use their mouth to talk. The same way we they use our mouth to talk with we don't face for Nigeria for more than many 16 years, abi 20 something years now. Now they will they face something for 16 years, abi. Now they complain. We see they complain Nigeria government not good. Nigeria government not good. Nigeria government not they try. We see they complain, but see Iran 42 years. Now they face this kind of trauma, this kind of trouble, this kind of, if you not cover your face, if you talk say you want to come on for Islam, attack Christian or any other religious, they go buy the person. You don't see that kind of life once. Not be you crazy the person. Just because say they rule the country, you won't make everybody life miserable. Just because say you be president of the country, you won't make everybody life so stupid. They waka, they will see their shadow. Their shadow will come out for their body. Somebody would talk say for they born her for she be American citizen. You understand? They call carry her come Iran. They call born one of their sister for Iran too. So if mama got also okay, he won't go back. Your husband the match because the woman an American woman. Why your husband an Iran woman, Iran man. Now the woman say okay, yeah, the man they do bad, but the man they treat anyhow. He won't sure go back to America. Iran government tell the woman they don't agree release the passport given because where he born their last pikin for Iran. The first pikin he carry and come, he don't go school for Iran. Except say the woman go leave those children for Iran, go back to America by herself because those children will come out for Iran. You don't see that kind of thing once. That will not be witchcraft. That will not be witchcraft. So Nigeria, me not focus on our country. Me not leave on other people country alone. Because all those people that know what they don't face for that country. You now understand? Me na face una own. Me na leave on other people alone.